Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to make money online using Zedge. Zedge is a hugely popular app that allows people to download wallpapers, ringtones, and other content for their phones. With over 25 million active users and more than 696 million total downloads, it's easily one of the biggest platforms in this space. But what many people don't know is that Zedge isn't just for downloading wallpapers. You can actually make money from it too. Here's how it works. When users browse for wallpapers on Zedge, they'll find a mix of free and premium options. To download a premium wallpaper, users have to pay for it. And this is where your opportunity comes in. As a contributor on Zedge, you can upload your own wallpapers to the platform. Whenever someone purchases one of your premium designs, you get paid. It's a simple and creative way to turn digital art into passive income. The best part? You don't need to be a professional designer to get started. You don't need expensive software, advanced art skills, or any kind of formal training. In fact, with free design tools like Canva or even your phone's photo editor, you can create simple, eye-catching wallpapers that people will love. Now, before I show you how to create these wallpapers, you first need to apply to become a contributor on Zedge. The application process is very simple. All you have to do is fill out a form and submit a few examples of your work. If you don't have any designs ready yet, don't worry. I'll show you how to create them in just a minute. Once your application is approved, you can start uploading your wallpapers and earning money right away. It doesn't cost anything to apply, and you don't need any prior experience. This makes it a perfect opportunity for beginners. To help you understand how big this opportunity is, let's compare Zedge to another platform called Shutterstock. Shutterstock also allows you to upload and sell images, but it focuses more on stock photos and videos. Most of the buyers on Shutterstock are businesses and content creators who need images for their projects. But with Zedge, the audience is much larger. Everyone with a smartphone needs a wallpaper. That gives you access to billions of potential customers. Now, let me walk you through exactly how to create wallpapers that people will actually want to download, even if you have no design experience at all. One of the easiest and most popular types of wallpapers you can make are text-based wallpapers. These are simple designs where you combine a nice background with an inspirational quote, a funny message, or even a motivational phrase. These types of wallpapers are always in demand because people love using them to personalize their phones. Step 1 is to find a good quote. You can search for wallpaper quote ideas on Google, Pinterest, or even Instagram for inspiration. But here's something important. You can't just copy someone else's design directly. Zedge has strict guidelines, and if you submit copied content, they'll reject your application or remove your uploads. Instead, you need to take inspiration and create your own unique version from scratch. Once you've picked a quote you like, head over to canva.com. Canva is a free design tool that works right inside your browser, and it's perfect for beginners. It gives you tons of templates, fonts, and images you can use to create professional-looking wallpapers. No fancy design skills needed. Inside Canva, click on Create a Design and then choose Custom Size. For phone wallpapers, the ideal size is 1080 pixels wide by 1980 pixels tall. This fits most modern smartphones perfectly. Now, it's time to add your text. In Canva, click on the Text tool, then choose Add a Heading. This is where you'll type your quote. To make your wallpaper stand out, play around with different fonts, font sizes, and colors until you find a style that looks great. Don't be afraid to experiment. Bold fonts work well for inspirational quotes, while playful fonts are perfect for funny messages. Next, you'll need a background. In Canva, you can search for images using keywords like nature, mountains, sunset, cityscape, or any other aesthetic you want. Canva offers a huge library of free images to choose from. Once you find a background you like, just click on it and it will instantly fill your design canvas. You can also adjust the background to make sure your text is easy to read. One simple trick is to lower the transparency of the background image slightly, which helps the text pop. You can also add a subtle shadow or outline to your text to make it even clearer. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Share button and download your wallpaper as a PNG file. That's it. You've just created your first wallpaper. Now you can repeat the process to create more designs and build up your collection. The more wallpapers you create, the better your chances of making money on Zedge. To maximize your earnings, focus on popular categories like motivational quotes, funny messages, travel themes, sports, and even trending memes. You can also browse the most popular wallpapers on Zedge itself to see what's currently in demand. This will give you great ideas for your next designs. Once you've created a solid collection of wallpapers, you're ready to apply as a Zedge contributor. During the application process, you'll upload a few of your best designs as samples to showcase your work. If Zedge approves your application, you'll be able to upload unlimited wallpapers and start earning money every time someone downloads one of your premium designs. There's also one more way you can make money with Zedge, and this one is a little different. Besides wallpapers, Zedge also allows you to upload and sell ringtones and notification sounds. This is a great opportunity if you're creative with audio or if you enjoy making unique sound effects, funny voice clips, or even short music loops. What's great about this option is that people are constantly looking for fun and original sounds to personalize their phones. Whether it's a catchy ringtone or a hilarious text alert, there's always demand. And just like with wallpapers, you don't need to pay for ads or promote your work. Zedge already has a massive user base actively browsing for new content every day, so if your sound stands out, people will find it, download it, and you'll get paid. This opens up a whole new income stream if you're creative with audio. You could record your own voice, remix popular sound trends, or even create funny meme sounds that go viral. The more creative you are, the better your chances of standing out and making money. Of course, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You probably won't make thousands overnight, but if you consistently upload new sounds and follow popular trends, you could slowly build a nice passive income over time. And since this requires no investment and no special equipment besides a basic microphone or sound editing app, it's one of the easiest ways to start earning online, especially if you like being creative. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I found a side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away, and it's very profitable. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.